Hey, how's it going, buds and beauties? Welcome to Life of Naman. And I was just listening to the Blinding Lights by The Weeknd, co-created with Rosalia, on this Oppo Enco X, co-created with Dyna Audio. And these are just so good. These Oppo Enco X are so good, and the fit is also so good. It's just the best TWS I have ever reviewed in the history of TWS. All the TWS that I have reviewed personally. Now I'm gonna tell you why they are so good. Now personally, I don't feel any con after using it for straight 3 days now. No con at all. I mean, I can't even face any con. The only con that I used to face in other TWS, like major con, was the fit. In this, the fit is also good. I don't know how, unexpectedly, because in the Oppo W51, the fit was terrible. They had this piston-like shape, and it was a terrible fit, even with the smallest of ear tips. Now these, the Oppo Enco X, even if they look like this, the fit is really nice with the smallest. There are 3 types of ear tips: small, medium and large. You get medium pre-installed on your earbuds, and you can choose between small or large. I chose the small ones and they fit perfectly. Even if I do the shake test, they don't fall at all. I seriously am a little confused what I should say in this video, because they are just so good. They have IP54 water resistant and dust resistant. They have amazing noise cancellation, and there is a dedicated button for transparency mode, not for actually noise cancellation, for transparency mode, so that you can hear more of your surroundings rather than, you know, just dwelling in all the music that you're hearing. And also you can see on the screen, here are the touch controls. I'll put the screenshot of the user manual where the touch controls are listed, and yeah, you can set and, you know, you can reassign the touch controls by going to the Hey Melody app, as you are seeing on the screen. You can basically, you know, set the double tap, triple tap, and there is also a volume slider button on this earbud, so you can, you know, increase the volume or decrease the volume, and that is basically the same feature on left as well as the right earbud. So these earbuds are packed with features. I mean, packed with features. They have features, and their sound is amazing, noise cancellation is amazing, they are water resistant, and they have a great fit. That's the most important for me, at least. For me, these earbuds check all the boxes. There is no con that I can find in 3 to 4 days of testing these. They are just amazing, sound wise, quality wise, build wise. They're just really nice, and I think the sound is really helped because they have co-created it with Dyna Audio, and I can only see that Dyna Audio is a huge Denmark based loudspeaker company. They've done a great job with these Oppo Enco X. That's about it that I can say in this video. Now I want to talk about just a weird thing. Again, this is not a con, it's just a weird thing. Is that when I put the earbud out of my ears, sometimes the music keeps on playing, and sometimes when I put the earbud inside my ears, the music doesn't, you know, initiate. So there is this feature that these earbuds do have, that when you put the earbud out of your ears, the music will stop playing. But sometimes that doesn't happen, sometimes it happen randomly, sometimes it doesn't. So this is just a weird thing that happens with me. Just a little one more weird thing that I've noticed is that when there is no music playing in the earbuds, you get this hiss sound that I used to get in both eardubs, but in both eardubs it just ends when you pairs with the earbuds, and then you start playing the music and the hiss sound disappears just like that. There is a hiss sound in these earbuds also, and sometimes a beep comes in. I don't know, it's just something, little things that I have noticed, but it doesn't have to do anything with the cons. This is not cons, it's just little things that I have noticed using these earbuds. Apart from that, these earbuds are highly recommended. If you want to buy something under 10k, the TWS market, you can just go for these ones. These are amazing. Let me know in the comment section below if I missed anything in this video, and if you want to know anything about the Oppo Enco X, and I will tell you, and I will surely answer you in the comment section below. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out, bye bye, and keep watching your hands, bro.